Away they go. Conqueror from the outside. I am on fire. Vengativo. Then comes Gold B. American Ruler. Talaga ha. Bliss in the middle. Conqueror by about 2 lengths, followed by I am on fire. Gold B alongside Vengativo, moving up by Darrell Bliss, number 2, American Ruler. Talaga ha. Conqueror by about 3 lengths. I am on fire, running in second. Vengativo alongside by Darrell Bliss. Gold B American Ruler. Talaga ha. Conqueror by about 2 lengths, followed by I am on fire on the outside. Bliss by Darrell. Vengativo. And nearing the finish line, Conqueror. I am on fire, running in second. Conqueror. I am on fire is on the outside. Conqueror. I am on fire on the outside. And finally, I am on fire. Conqueror, Vengativo, Bliss, American Ruler, Gold B, and Talaga ha.